All right, so we're here at Disney Springs. We're gonna hit a couple of shops and maybe try to get the Rainforest Cafe or something else. Are you excited about coming to Disney Springs?
Yeah, that's kind of cool. All the little shops and stuff.
Yeah, so we're gonna stop from the back side over by the Rainforest Cafe and work our way up and see what kind of shops we think are cool. We're outside of the Rainforest Cafe. It's about a 2-hour wait, so we on the list. You excited?
Yeah. There's an alligator that could eat you in a minute.
The alligator's gonna eat you in a minute. So we're gonna go check out the shops. Check out probably the Star Wars trading post for sure because I love Star Wars. And then the button place, the pins. Oh, I love pins. So here in 2 hours, we're gonna eat it right here at the Rainforest Cafe. I can't wait. It's gonna be my first time eating at Rainforest Cafe. She's ate here before, I haven't. All right, we're here at the Star Wars trading post. Let's go ahead and head on into there. I know, I see that bag. That's pretty cool. Oh, that would be awesome for Bubba's. I like that. Oh, this is awesome. Mustafar, Vader's castle, and all the Sith Lords, and Snoke. And then up to the Jedis. Luke. Alright, so we're here now at the World of Disney. We're about to go check that out. We did stop at the pin trading place. Went a little too crazy. Got some really cool limited edition things. We'll show you guys all that once we get back and do our haul video. So let's get in there. Stitch this spit at us. Did he spit on you, honey? Right in your face.
Yep.
Here is the middle of the store. It's all decorated with all the 50th anniversary merch. That bag is pretty cool. There you go, hon. There's your some hair. The store is so huge. All right, we're gonna head into the Harley Davidson store, see if they have any cool stuff. All right, let's head in there. You having a good time, honey?
Yeah.
So what do you think of Disney Springs so far?
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool?
A little crowded, but of course.
A little crowded, yeah. All right, here we go. Oh, it's a motorcycle you can sit on. All the different t-shirts, some hats. Oh, there we go. Yeah, the old school motorcycles. All right, I think that's about it. All right, so we're heading to dinner, and then what are we having for dessert?
Gideons?
Yeah. We're gonna try Gideon's out. Everybody talks about it. They said it's about a 45 minute wait. We're willing to do that for some cookies and cake. So after that, we're gonna jump over here and eat dinner at the Rainforest Cafe. And then we'll show all that stuff, of course, and then we'll jump over to Gideon's. And then we'll jump back to the cabin and try Gideon's since it'll be late. So, see you in the cafe. Inside of the Rainforest Cafe. Come to find out the person sitting us is going to OU in Oklahoma, where we live. Pretty cool place. Pretty cool little place. Going down some more stairs. Pretty cool fish tank. Looks like we're sitting right here. Alright. So our food has came out. She got that. I got this. I got the taste of the islands. What'd you get again, hon?
Aloha salmon and shrimp.
Aloha salmon and shrimp. All right, take a bite of your salmon and see what it tastes like.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. 1 out of 5.
4.
4. How's the shrimp taste?
Maybe mint. Good too.
Very good.
I like the whatever glaze on it.
You said you like the sauce on it? That looks really delicious, guys. Alright. And then this is what I got. The taste of the islands. Looks really good. Alright, we're going to flip it around. I'm going to try what this is. I don't remember what this is, but taste it. There's something in there. Oh, this is the scallops. The scallops are a 5 out of 5. We'll try the fish. A little bit of that coconut or mango salsa. Get some of that mangoes on there. I'd say 3.5 on the fish. Try the coconut shrimp. It looks super tasty. We'll dip it in some of the sauce. Was that sauce a 5 out of 5? Alright, we're gonna finish eating and we'll see you guys on the other side. They got the balloon up in the air tonight. There's the boat heading to Gideon's from after dinner. Dinner was really great. What did you think of dinner, hon?
It was good.
It was good?
Yep.
Alright, now off to Gideon's. Can't wait. Everybody talks about it. There's T-Rex. It's owned by the same people that run the Rainforest Cafe. And there is the boathouse, another place that they say is really good to eat. But maybe next time we come to Disney Springs. Not too bad now after it got a little darker. Looks like a lot of the crowd's lit off. Alright, hopefully the line at Gideon's ain't terrible. Alright, they're playing some live music over here. Alright, on the way to Gideon's. Oh, there's the balloon. That balloon is so cool. Alright, we've made it here to Gideon's. She's heading over to the line. I can't wait to get inside. Let's go. Live music outside of the Irish pub across the street from Gideon's. Here, I'll show what's on the menu at Gideon's this time. The May treats of the peanut butter stuff is out of stock for the rest of the day, so we have to choose from the non-peanut butter stuff, but this still looks delicious. So what are you thinking so far? You happy that we're coming over here?
Yeah. Willing to try it?
Willing to try it?
Yeah.
All right, stepping in. What do you think, honey?
Super cute in here. I like
Super cute.
the little paintings. Super cute.
Oh, they got candles you can buy of the different senses. I do not know.
Red velvet.
No.
Thank you. Enjoy.
All right, so we just came out of Gideon's. We're gonna head back to the cabin and try it out. So what did you think on the inside of Gideon's?
It's really cute. I like all that kind of, I don't know what you call it, vintage,
Steampunk kind of
kind of
style?
steampunk, yeah.
Maybe kind of like a Sweeney Todd feel?
Yeah, I like that.
All
And
right.
It smells so good in there, like chocolate.
Smells
Just
good.
everywhere.
Chocolate everywhere?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna run back to the cabin and then we'll do the review for you guys. And then it's Obi Kenobi time. All right, so we're tasting the Gideons now. We didn't do it last night, so we're doing it after lunch. So what was your opinion of the place last night at Gideon's?
It was really cool. I love the smell. It smelled like chocolate, like fresh melted chocolate.
I love the theming of the place. It has like that Sweeney Todd type feel. All right, so we're gonna start off with the cookie, and we're gonna break it open to see what it looks like. It's a little frozen. Ooh, that does look yummy. Has that nice like noise coming out of it when I snapped it open. Here, I'll do it again. Probably won't hear it on the camera. This sounds like a nice moist brownie getting broke. So, all right. I'm gonna do my first taste. This is the triple chocolate cookie from Gideon's. That is super, oh my goodness. Took too big of a bite. But it kind of has like a brownie type cookie taste to it. And then with all that chocolate chips on top of it, it's just straight chocolate heaven. All right, let's see what she thinks of it.
Do what you do.
All right.
That's pretty good. Like a brownie with a ton of chocolate chips on top of it.
Dry, moist.
Very moist.
All right, you ready to try the cake?
All right, we're gonna try the red velvet cake from Gideon's. Looks super delicious. That's pretty good. It's falling apart. How moist it is.
It's fine. So you can tell that it's a messy eat.
But it's so good. The icing kind of like a cream cheese taste. It's super moist, soft. You just mush it in your mouth. It's really tasty. Not bad. 5 out of 5. I have to say, love desserts. Love Gideon's now. It was really good.
Is it gonna become a staple when we come to Orlando?
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to keep going back. Yep. All right.
All right. So I'm gonna taste it now, but I did notice there is these nuts on the back of it, so I'm gonna take one of them and then come right here and get me a piece of the cake. Put that nut right there so I can get all the flavors. Definitely amazing. That cream cheese type icing with that moist red velvet cake, and then that hint of the nut on top of it. 5 out of 5 for sure. If you go to Disney Springs, you must hit Gideon's, because I like my sweets, but this is just unbelievable. Alright, I think this is the spot we're going to end the vlog for today. Thanks for watching and everything, and we'll see you on the next adventure.